and welcome back again. We are Super 7
and Super 7.
اليوم رح نبدأ بسلسلة جديدة اسم السلسلة Short Dialogues حوارات قصيرة. حوار اليوم متكون من 3 أجزاء ولا نطول بالمقدمة. يلا نبلش. Let's get started. زي ما انتم شايفين حوارنا اليوم متكون من What's your name الاسم, greetings التحية, goodbye الوداع. ونبدأ بأول واحد. What's your name?
Say your name.
Say your name.
Say your name.
Hello, my name is Daniel.
Hello, my name is Daniel.
I am Jacob.
I am Jacob.
My name is Oliver.
My name is Oliver.
Nice to meet you, James.
Nice to meet you, James.
This is Elizabeth, my sister.
This is Elizabeth, my sister.
This is Victoria, my teacher.
This is Victoria, my teacher.
Asking someone's name.
Asking someone's name. كيف تسأل واحد اسمه؟
I'm Joe. What's your name?
I'm Joe. What's your name?
My name is Emily.
My name's Emily.
What is his name?
What is his name?
He is William.
He is William.
What is her name?
What is her name?
She is Jessica.
She is Jessica. الحين نروح على الحوار الثاني.
You can use hello.
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 Hi.
Hi.
Hey.
Hey.
Hello there.
Hello there.
Hi there.
Hi there.
Hi there.
Hello, Peter.
Hello, Peter.
Hello, Mary.
Hello, Mary.
Hello, how are you?
Hello, how are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
I'm fine, thank you.
I'm very well, thanks.
I'm very well, thanks.
Hello. How do you do?
Hello.
How do you do? Hello, how do you do?
I'm great.
I'm great.
I'm better than ever.
I'm better than ever.
Nice to meet you, Mr. White.
Nice to meet you,
Yeah,
Mr.
Mr.
White.
Pleased to meet you.
Pleased to meet you.
Good.
احنا خلصنا what's your name, greetings. الحين نبدأ على the goodbye.
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 Bye-bye.
Bye bye.
Farewell.
Farewell.
Have a good day.
Have a good day.
Take care.
Take care.
See you later.
See you later.
Talk to you later.
Talk to you later.
See you soon.
See you soon.
Good night.
Good night. Now let's make the short dialogues. Let's get started.
Hello.
Hi.
My name's Samir. What's your name?
My name's Sama.
Nice to meet you.
Pleased to meet you, Samir.
How are you?
I'm better than ever, and you?
I am very well, thanks.
And this is Murad, my brother.
Nice to meet you, Murad.
Nice to meet you, See you soon.
See you later.
Take care.
Bye.